Ever wonder how much your Canon EOS RP has actually been used? Knowing your camera's shutter count is like knowing its mileage, and it's crucial for understanding its lifespan and potential value. The simplest way to peek into your EOS RP's history is by examining a photo file directly from your camera. Most photo editing software can read this information and open an image you've taken, and look for the metadata or EXIF data within this section. You'll typically find a field labeled shutter count or similar. This number represents how many times the camera's mechanical shutter has actuated. It's a direct indicator of your camera's usage. If you prefer not to use your editing software or want a quick check, there are numerous free online services dedicated to this. Simply search for Canon EOS RP Shutter Count Checker online, find a reputable website, and upload one of the JPEG files directly from your camera's memory card. The website will then process the image and display your camera's shutter count for you. Why is this important? For many DSLRs and mirrorless cameras, the mechanical shutter has a rated lifespan, often in the hundreds of thousands of actuations. Tracking this helps you anticipate potential maintenance needs, especially if you're a heavy shooter. It's also vital if you're thinking of selling your camera, as a lower shutter count generally means a higher resale value. So, take a moment, check that shutter count, and stay informed about your Canon EOS RP's journey.